Hello, so we have here our JBL Clip5, and in this video we want to explain to you how to recharge the battery on one of these Bluetooth speakers, these portable speakers. So first of all, we're going to take a look at the top here of the speaker where we see this LED here. So in this case, in the case that this starts to blink red, that indicates that the battery is becoming low. It's time to recharge it. Alternatively, you can also check here on your JBL portable app on your smartphone the exact battery percentage. So that's a different way. Just download the portable app and then connect to your Clip5. So now in case we do want to recharge the battery, then we can either use the original cable, the charging cable that comes with the speaker here. This is a USB-C to USB-A cable. So the USB-C side that goes into the speaker, and the other side we can just plug into one of these old-fashioned charging cubes, these USB charging cubes that you know from your smartphone. So let's plug it in there and then just plug the other end into the speaker and we'll start to charge. Alternatively, you can also use just a general USB-C charging cable or charger, for example, from your laptop or from your Nintendo Switch or any other device that does charge with USB-C. So even like a fast charger you can use as well. So we're just going to plug that in here, and then when it's charging, you're going to see on the top again at the LED that this is going to be constantly red now. So this is going to red all the time until the battery is fully charged, and a full charge takes up to 3 hours. So now you can use the speaker while it's being charged, so that's not a problem. And when the battery is fully charged, then you're going to just either see the LED is going to turn off in case you're not using it, or it's going to turn back to white in case you're using it currently. So now just carefully unplug the USB-C cord. Make sure you're not bending the connector while it's plugged in, so you don't accidentally damage the charging port. And also, in case you were using your speaker in the water or that environment, don't just plug in the USB-C charging cable while the speaker is still wet. Like, blow out that charging port so that there's no water left in there, and let it dry out a little bit. Yeah, okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.